After weekly update, you will proceed to route safety check. So you can unselect this route. Go to voyage, route, unselect. So you can save to another ECDIS. Then proceed to the ECDIS number 1 again. So if you can see, we unselect the route in the another ECDIS. So now you can proceed to voyage again. Then route. Then move to plan. Then go to check result for safety alert. So we go to check result. Then check route.